Hello, puppers. Hello, Crimson. Buddy boy. Carlos. Capo. Smush. And Moose. And Kagali. There's Chocolate Butt. And Tira. And Kune's way down there sleeping. Anyway, I just got the fabric finished on the front side of the property on the right. This is all the way down to the corner, and then it turns for about 20 feet. This is badass. I love it. I don't dislike my neighbor over here, but you know, he's got guineas and dogs that lets run free. My dogs come up here to the front of the yard and they bark and go crazy at them, and this is going to prevent it. It then also gives me ridiculous amounts of additional privacy. Hi, Kunye. You been sleeping? I love you, big guy. You're good. All the way down. To the driveway. The gates. And then it turns and heads that way. And I'm gonna start putting up this next piece down here in a moment. So, cool. I love it. See you guys later.